Welcome to the channel .NET Crack. Welcome to the another video episode of C Sharp tutorial. So this video we are going to learn about what is boxing and unboxing in C Sharp with an example for. So boxing is a process of converting a value type into reference type. So this happens because value types are stored in the stock memory and while reference types are stored in the heap memory. So let's see example for that. So in before going to see an example, we need to understand what is value types and reference type as well as what is heap memory and stack memory. So in upcoming videos, I can explain detailing about what is value type and reference type as well as what is heap memory and stack memory. So for now, I can quickly explain for these two, what is reference type and value type and what is heap memory and stack memory. In C sharp, a data type likes a decimal, float, integers, doubles. So these are all value types. So these values are stored in the stack memory. For example, if I declared integers a is equal to 1, so this is a value type. So these values stored in the stack memory. In C sharp, the garbage collector have the two memories. One is the stack memory, another one is the heap memory. So integers, doubles, floats, these are all value types and these are all stored in the stack memory. So in C sharp, memory management is handled primarily by the garbage collectors. So I can explain you details in the upcoming videos. So how the memory management handled in the C sharp. So there is a two types of memory. So one is the stack memory, another one is a heap memory. So value types are stored in the stack memory and reference type stored in the heap memory. So integers, doubles, these are all value types. So stored in the stack memory. So I can explain you what is the reference type. So reference types of class objects, array, string, delegates. So these are all reference types. For example, if we declare the string dot name, so these are the reference types. So this is the reference type stored in the heap memory. So now you have understand about what is value type and reference types. So the concept of boxing is converted value type into the reference type. So I can create one reference type object, OTG. So this is the reference type object. So I can assign a value into the value type. So equal to A. So what I'm done is, so I can assign a value to value type into the reference types. So this is called a boxing concept. So I just converted into value type into the reference type. I hope you can be understand what is value type and what is reference type and which memory it will be stored and what is the concept of boxing. So now we can move on to the unboxing concept. Unboxing is a process of extracting a value from an object. So it is just a reverse of unboxing. So let's see an example for that. For example, we need to retrieve the value from an object, right? So I can declare another variable. It is a b, return the value from an object. So we cannot directly assign a value to the uh, value types. We need to have a typecasting. So it will show an error for that. So cannot implicit convert into object and into, we need to have an explicit conversion for that. If you have an integers, we need to specify the typecasting. If we have retrieve from the any doubles or else and decimals, so we need to use the same object. Otherwise, it will be throw an error. If you do for string, so it will be throw an error because it is already have an integers, so that's why it will throw an error. So this is the concept of an unboxing. So that the value of b is an it is a 1. So we can check with the console. So the value of b is 1. I hope you can be understand what is boxing and unboxing concept in C Sharp. So thank you for watching this video and subscribe to .NET Crack. Thank you.